Perseverance pays off, guys. When you combine persistence with the willingness to learn whatever it is that you don't know, it's a recipe for success. I'm telling you guys this, when I first started this YouTube journey 8 months ago, I didn't know anything about anything. I'd never filmed a single thing. And I learn on the job every single day, and all my collaborations have gone so far towards helping me to become a better filmmaker. But here's the important thing. You can't give up. You just can't do it. Persistence combined with the willingness to learn is the key to the whole thing. So this isn't a vlog just about YouTube. Persistence and the willingness to learn will help you in any avenue that you want to conquer. I've watched many podcasts where folks who talked about how they started their business and they didn't know anything. And they actually attribute their success in a lot of ways to the fact that they had to learn everything as they went along. They realized later on that if they had known all the steps they needed to take to get to where they were when they actually became successful, they probably wouldn't have done it. Sometimes not knowing what you need to know is better, because you can find creative ways to get the same effect as other people are getting because they know how to do it. The long and short of it is, if you're persistent, you can't fail. Because if you're not willing to give up, you're just gonna keep trying until you get it right. Now, this might not be for everybody, and I'm sure there does come a point where you have to just say, this isn't gonna work. I'm not from the ilk that believes that if there's something you're passionate about and you love to do, that you're not gonna eventually figure it out. But hey guys, I wanna thank Michael T Panetta for hanging out with me today. He did all kinds of shots and helped me out. I hope we've got some really fun cinematics in this.
I think we do.
Man, this dude knows too much. You want to get to work with him, and you definitely want to subscribe if you aren't already. Do me a big favor, guys. Go out there, find your adventure. Have a great day. Be persistent in everything that you do, and I will see you soon.
Hey, Mr. Fire, I got the light going on here, and I think we're good. Persistence. I'm learning lighting.
I'm learning lighting too, man.
All right, so you're in the bathroom. It's my turn to talk to the audience about persistence. You have to go out there, you have to get what you want, and you can't take no for an answer. Unless somebody says no, then gotta go.